Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do Mills Mess and the windmill.
Mills Mess is one of my favorite tricks, but it was really hard for me to learn. Instead of thinking of Mills Mess as a series of particular throws, I like to think of the movement of each ball. Each ball does one type of throw for the entire pattern. This red ball will always do an over-the-top throw, this white ball will always do a regular throw, and then this green ball will always do an under-the-arm throw. Over, regular, under, over, regular, under, over, regular, under, over, regular, under, over, regular, under. And it will be like that for the entire video. Another good thing to know about Mills Mess is that it has a sight swap of 3. A sight swap of 3 means that it's the same basic pattern as the regular 3-ball cascade. So every time you throw, it's going to cross hands, and then you're going to alternate which hand throws. To learn this trick, it's helpful if you know how to do juggler's tennis and under-the-arm throws, but it's not necessary to learning this trick. I don't have a video on under-the-arm throws, but it's basically what you would expect. It just goes under your arm and into the other hand. To learn this trick, you're going to practice doing the first 3 throws starting with your dominant hand, and then you're going to practice doing the first 3 throws with your non-dominant hand. So assuming that you're right-handed, you're going to start with 2 balls in your right hand and 1 ball in your left hand, and your right hand is going to be on top of your left hand. So first, the red ball is thrown, and it's going to be an over-the-top throw that goes in this direction. As your arms are uncrossing, you're going to throw a regular throw from your left hand. After that, your hands cross again, and you throw an under-the-arm throw from your right hand. Altogether, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, catch. And you want to catch in this position because that will set you up really well to do the next throw in the pattern. Practice that until it feels really comfortable. Then you're going to do the same thing, but starting with your left hand. It's the same 3 throws, so red goes over, white is regular, and green is under. 1, 2, 3, catch. From there, you can try just to switch sides. If you do 3 throws starting with your right side and do 3 throws starting with your left side, then that's Mills Mess. If that doesn't work for you, I'm going to show you how to go from 3 throws to 4 throws to 5 throws to 6 throws, and then you'll do a full cycle of Mills Mess. We already talked about the first 3 throws, and then you're back on the red ball again, so you're just going to throw 1 over the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, catch. And you want to get used to catching it like this because that's how you do it in the pattern. Then you're going to add the 5th throw, which is a regular throw with the white ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to make sure that you catch in this position. You're going to catch with the hand that's underneath. Now you're going to do 6 throws, which means you're going to do another under the arm throw with the green ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, catch with your arms uncrossed. And now we are back to where we started. 2 balls in the right hand and 1 ball in the left hand. From there, you can just keep going and running the pattern. One problem you might have when you're learning this trick is that your hands kind of get really close together and then it's hard to do the pattern and they crash. So you want to cross them more up here, not where your wrists are just like directly on top of each other. Something that really helped me when I was learning is I recorded myself and then I looked at it in slow-mo to see what I was doing right and what I was doing wrong.
And today I'm going to show you some of that footage so you don't get discouraged if you're having problems. This trick was really hard for me to learn. Just keep working on it and you'll get it eventually.
Once you have the basic trick down, you can start playing around with the style so that it looks even better. So as you're first learning the trick, the pattern is probably going to be pretty high. As you get better, try to move the pattern lower and it's going to look even cooler.
When you first learn this trick, it might look something like this. But as you get more comfortable with it, try to throw the under the arm throw inwards so that it looks like the balls are chasing each other. There should be a natural sway if you're doing it correctly.
Now, as promised, I will show you how to do the windmill, which is basically a bonus trick that you get after you learn Mills Mess. The windmill is basically where you do Mills Mess, but you only do it on one side and you just do that continuously. One hand is always going to throw over and one hand is always going to throw under. The only tricky thing about windmill is sometimes the over-the-top throw can go too far and the pattern can get away from you, so just try to keep everything close.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe.